This exercise is a bicep exercise with assisted resistance. In a case, for example, a stroke patient who is lost strength in the arm, and you're helping them at home, what you can do, you can offer some resistance to the arm to help them to exercise the bicep muscle for them to regain strength. For example, in this case, if she had lost strength in the right arm, what you would do, have them face you. Again, you support the arm. If a person has had a stroke and the arm has been affected, remember the shoulder joint too would be affected. So what you don't want is to let the arm hang down unsupported. Then because you make the shoulder joint also vulnerable to injury. You support. Hand, hold the wrist. Okay, apply some resistance and they pull towards you like a bicep curl. Here's good. Up. Do some supporting the elbow. Giving some light resistance. As time goes by and she gets stronger and stronger, what you would do, you would apply a bit more resistance to make it a bit more challenging. Remember, it's all about progressive resistance, not staying at one level. If you do not progressively increase the intensity of an exercise, the person is unlikely to make continuous progress. And when you complete the required amount of reps, you rest. So that is the assisted bicep resistance exercise.